Ka State Cancer Society of Meghalaya haka Southrik Rumpang, Kalapanlong yaka Second Meghalaya Cancer Conclave ha Vivanta Shillong, haka Balawane Shimbanta ki doktor na kalenga jila, but ki he nakatanat ka koi ke kya. Haba a jinkren kum ukong san ha ka jingelang, umintri katanat ka koi ke kya uba wailat miki shila ula ong, baka jinkiu haka jingdon jingi bapang bampong ne cancer haka jila, kadai namar uduma barka jingdi kian, but banjur baka jingduna yeki jingpen syai pat ba, ka jing skap jar, baka jingbam le eki test, haka puar ka babiang, kala nang pen sniu shu ya ka jinglong jingman. Ula ong ba man ubriu ba syakta haka jingpang bampong kidon la ka jong ka khana ka ba khamper bat kani ka jingalang kan longkum ka jingpen kan mau halor ki jing e ba pher ki ba ki nongpang ki ya kendo. Ula banjur ru baka imlang salang kam de ban sengap jar haka jingale persya ya kani ka jingpang bampong. Haba pun pau halor ka jingkia jong kani ka kam umintri ula ong baka India ka don haduk kumba I waypoint 100 million kinongpang bampong ki basyak ta manla usnam bat ka Meghalaya ka din apdeng ki jila ka bakiyo bha ha ka jingdon jong kinongpang bampong. U Principal Secretary katanat ka koi ke kya Sampat Kumar Upintip baka East Khas Hills District kadang beteng banlong ka Wayne ki district ka babun e ki bapang bampong ha Meghalaya ha ka ba hadu arspa arpenyo point kendai tri ki case lalap hamanla ka shilak ngot kinong shnong ki badai ki shinrang tang ha ka ni ka district. Ha ka ni ka sngi umintri katanat ka koi ke kya ula plat ru e ki kattu ka ni ki program bakong san ki batmu ban pen khlani ki la jingata ya ka ni ka jingpang bampong kini ki kenthop ka jingpan trekam ya ka Meghalaya Mission for Cancer Prevention and Early Detection ka cancer screening app but screening device ba ka jingle ya ka HPV testing ha ka jala. Umintri ula pliru ya ka project ya trelang happening ka Sorkar Meghalaya bar ka Grace Cancer Foundation Hyderabad Telangana ka bapan le jingmot bante lakam ya ka jingpang bampong ha West Khas Hills District.
We gather here on this second Meghalaya Cancer Conclave 2026 under the theme United by Unique. It's remind us that every individual affected by cancer has a unique story, a story shaped by their biology, their culture, and their struggle. But while the stories are unique, our response must be united. I stand before you today, not just as your minister, but as a fellow citizen, deeply concerned by a shadow that loom over our beautiful hills. We cannot shy away from the hard truth. The national picture is alarming, with over 1.56 million new cases in India annually. But for us in Meghalaya, the alarm bells are ringing louder. Our state stands out, unfortunately, for having one of the highest age-adjusted cancer incident rate in the country. Statistics tell us that for every 1 lakh men, nearly 177 compared to the national average of 100. For women, it is over 96. In districts like East Khasi Hills, the burden is even heavier. These are not just numbers on a spreadsheet. These are our fathers, our mothers, our brothers, and our sisters. We must ask ourselves why. The profile of cancer in Meghalaya is specific. We see a high prevalence of cancer of the oral cavity, esophagus, and hypopharynx. Science tells us these are closely linked to risk factors we can control, such as tobacco and alcohol. But there is a second silent enemy, late detection. Data from NFHS5 reveal a painful reality. The screening uptake in our state is extremely limited. Only 0.6% of women aged 30 to 49 have been screened for cervical cancer. only 0.5% for breast cancer, and for oral cancer, merely 0.4%. This is the critical gap. It is not a lack of medical knowledge, it is a gap in awareness and hesitation to seek help. To bridge this gap between hesitation and healthcare, the government decided to take the first step. In the last 2 years, we launched a pilot program for cancer screening across the state. We successfully carried out 2,342 screenings. However, this scam revealed a paradox that we must address today. Out of these 1,000 screened, we had 28 cases of early detection. Now, you might ask, is that number low? The message here is critical. In spite of the cases detected in the camp being high, the early stage detection was low. People report to health facilities only when the pain becomes unbearable, only when the disease has reached an advanced stage. We wait for the symptom to scream before we listen to our bodies. The mindset must change. Screening is not a sentence. Screening is a shield. We must normalize walking into clinic when we are healthy, not just to be sure. The government is committed to ensure that when you do seek help, the best care is available right here at home. We have launched the Meghalaya Mission for Cancer Prevention and Early Detection, aligning with the National Health Mission for Cancer Care. We realize that early detection means nothing if treatment is unaffordable. That is why we have upgraded the dedicated cancer wing at Civil Hospital Shillong with increased bed capacity for 200. Today we provide comprehensive services, free chemotherapy, free radiotherapy, and cancer surgery. Linear accelerator machine, brachytherapy machine, and CT stimulator machine are under installation and will be operationalized. We have backed this with the Meghalaya Health Insurance Schemes to ensure that financial hardship never become a barrier to life-saving care. For many families, this has meant treatment closer to home, fewer trips outside the state, and the dignity of being cared for near their loved one. Does this approach work? Yes, it does, and I have proof. Let us take a look at a cancer survivor, Riyaka Nongse. Riyaka Nongse is from Nongstoin, Meghalaya. Her journey with cancer began very early in life when she was just 9 months old. In 2016, her family noticed something was not right and took her to Woodland Hospital in Shillong. After medical evaluation, Riyaka was diagnosed with a germ cell tumor involving the back, a rare condition. Understanding the need for specialized care, she was referred for Civil Hospital Shillong, where she was registered on 10 November 2016, aged 1 year and 9 months old. Despite her tender age, she shows remarkable resilience. At Civil Hospital, Riyaka underwent chemotherapy as advised by the treating doctors. She completed all her prescribed cycle of treatment under careful medical supervision. The journey was challenging for both the child and her family, but with timely intervention, dedicated healthcare support, and continued follow-up, she responded well to treatment. Today, Riyaka is 11 years and is in class 6. Continue to visit Civil Hospital Shillong for her annual checkups. Each visit stands as a quiet reminder of how early detection, accessible cancer care, and sustained follow-up can change the course of a life, even that has just begun. Her story is one of hope, strength, and the importance of early cancer care in Meghalaya. Also, I want to share a figure that filled me with hope. We have 377 success stories in the past 2 years. 377 individuals who have looked cancer in the eye and warned. Here is the most important lesson from these survivors. Out of these 377, 25 were detected at the early stage, but the remaining majority was detected at stage 3 and stage 4. How did they survive? They survived because they completed all the treatment without any gaps. They trusted the doctors. They did not give up. This proved that a diagnosis, even at a late stage, is not a death sentence if we follow the medical protocols. Imagine how many more lives we can save if we catch it early and treat it consistently. Difficult health battles before. Look at our fight against infant mortality and mother mortality. A decade ago, the numbers were daunting, but through focused institutional deliveries and community support, we have been able to significantly bring down infant and maternal mortality rate. We made childbirth safe. Now we must make aging safe. What is required to fight cancer? The same spirit. We need the same community mobilization. We need our ASHAs, workers, our headmen, and our religious leaders to talk about cancer screening just as they talk about immunization. We need to move from saving the child to saving the family. Looking ahead, we know there is more to be done. We must be honest about our tertiary healthcare system. Currently, the burden falls heavily on Shillong. This creates a bottleneck. To improve our tertiary care, we are moving toward decentralization. We envision a Meghalaya where quality cancer care is not limited by geography. For this, we are expanding infrastructure. We are working to upgrade district hospital so that screening, diagnostic, and basic palliative care happen at the district level. Secondly, for human resources, we are investing in oncology-trained human resources. We need more specialists, more nurses trained in chemotherapy, administration, and more technicians. And thirdly, referral network. We are strengthening the pathway so that a patient in a remote village is seamlessly guided to the right expert without getting lost in the system, and even providing traveling allowance for whole treatment in addition to the diagnostic and treatment. Ladies and gentlemen, we have spoken about the challenges, the data and the vision, but a conclave is not just a place for discussion. It must be the launchpad for action. We cannot wait for tomorrow to fix the problem of today. Therefore, to turn our vision into reality, I am proud to officially dedicate 4 landmark initiatives to the people of Meghalaya today. Firstly, field implementation of Meghalaya Mission Cancer Prevention and Early Detection. First, we are moving from policy to the pavement. I am pleased to launch the field implementation of Meghalaya Mission for Cancer Prevention and Early Detection. What we are expecting, the impact. This marks the moment we take the fight out of the conference room and into the villages. It is our promise that government will no longer just wait for the patient to come to us. We are marching to the doorstep of our people to find and fight the disease. Second, cancer screening app and devices. To empower this mission with modern tools, we are launching the cancer screening app and advanced diagnostic devices. HPV testing initiative. Keeping the health of our mothers and sisters at the forefront, we are rolling on the statewide HPV testing initiative. Cervical cancer is prevalent, and with this initiative, we are building a protective shield around the women of Meghalaya. Project with Grace Cancer Foundation, Hyderabad. Proving that we are indeed united by unique. I am delighted to launch the collaborative project between the government of Meghalaya and Grace Foundation Cancer Foundation, Hyderabad, specifically for cancer control in West Khasi Hills. This partnership brings world-class expertise to our hard-to-reach areas. It is a symbol of our resolve that distance and terrain will no longer be an excuse for lack of care.
Some difficult on the throat, problem that I thought it was a fish bone. So I eat a lot of thick rice. When the fish bone is stuck, you used to eat this thick rice, and it's not working. Then what I do, I try to consult my nephew, who's a doctor, he's an medicine doctor. He said it might be a gastric. The gastric shoots, sometimes in the neck. So I thought it might be that. So I went to the general medicine doctor. He said that I explained him everything. General medicine doctor sent me, he referred me to ENT doctor. Then I refers to ENT doctor, tinggal alat, idon specialist. Atau di ENT specialist, they refer to dawai yang kaya gastric. So dawai it's not helping. For 1 month it's not helping. Then I'm worried. I didn't know to. Again, after 15 days, then I came again and explained it's not working. So he said, okay, let's do this. We'll take some video endoscopy and we'll take some biopsies from there. Hadiah to ngalen le biopsy, okay, le endoscopy, and they take something from my neck, some biopsy. Then to your report. And then the doctor didn't say me anything. Some patay nga ba kadagay. Hadin ng to sale hadin nga len yung doctor, what is this? What does it mean? Please explain me. Then he doesn't say anything. They hadin to no, you have to do a CT scan test so that they'll make it clear. Tinggal no ngapini kini report sa po kibahin sa mga kitang doctors. Tinggal reports ko kani kadika pre-cancers. It may be first stage cancer, I don't know. They didn't do it's like that. To ngalit yung to ng doctor ng fikang patay yung it's cancer. So you have to go to cancer wing. Just refer nga sa oncologist. Tinggal mo, I'm sure. But I'm not panicking. Jadi waktu what happened, I don't know. Kung ba ketika tengah na ikunduki doktor ako cancer wing tekila pataya nga kiyong magari tam taperhot kiyong gila kites kini kita berpilale kites pa pilale to sedang treatment on the 27th of May. That was my first cycle of chemotherapy. First cycle dengan piang Nabiyangi comment second cycle, Nabiyang third cycle I was a bit weak, but still I'm fighting. After that, once of radiation therapy, and radiation therapy is quite tough. It's kapanong stomach brio. But still, you should have that strong feeling. No, that's you have to fight. You have to be strong. Otherwise, if you won't be strong, then the doctors ki janjar ban help you, no? They have long kajimbut perkat, jompi pinab long klein, pinab long very strong. You have to fight. Then after that, after my radiation therapy, for 42 days I couldn't speak. I have to put a piece of paper to tell anything what I want to my wife, and for my friends I just take text them well. And on the 17th of October, I remember, and everything is cleared up. I said, hey, everything. It's so free, it's so relief. So it's very tough. I say cancer, it's not that easy. It's a kind of disease, it's quite tough, but you have to fight. You trust in the doctors, in the nurse, and I like to thank the civil hospitals. You see, you cannot underestimate the civil hospitals as well, because it's quite tough now. Civil hospitals is quite tough. And regarding that time treatment, the daycare, we used to New York VR, no? So bring from my, it's really good. It's really relief. It's out of stress, relax. Kalau perba jumpa perkat kan like nak attention, everything. So that is my journey, and it's not so easy. But if you love yourself, right? That's all. That's all I have to say. Thank you.